can't.
Look what the postman's brought, Finn. I wonder what's inside. Oh, great! My new...
Cut.
Oh, Bob, what was in the parcel?
My new... Shit, everyone. I can hear squeaking.
Don't worry, Lofty, it's mice. I know where the squeaks are coming from.
Where?
Your new mice. They need wearing in to soften the leather.
Bob's squeaking.
That's enough.
Deja vu. I just been in this place before.
You see, Travis, the quickest way to Bob's yard is Bob's yard. I'm sure it's right. No, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. I can walk faster than any old bird, can walk faster than any old fucking fly.
I'm sure you can, Spurp. Oh, whoa! Quick, Lofty! It's blowing away! Yay! Hang on. Who's been eating my sandwiches? And where the fuck is my cream bun? Have you seen it, Lofty? No. The last I saw of it was, Mice? Mice! Come back, Lofty! It's mice! Mice! Come back, Lofty!
Hi, Bob. What have we got today?
Well, we're going to put... So I'll need Muck and Dizzy to fuck off...
Can they fix it?
Yes,
we can't.
Muck, could you fetch the bricks for the wall?
Can I get them? Yes, I
Can't drive properly if you two are going mad.
I'll phone Wendy, I'll get her to bring another ladder, and then...
I love apples.
Just then.
I don't like apples. I've got the bricks. Where'd you want them?
Muck, thank God...
Come back! We'll soon have him down again. And Mark, look out!
Oh, dear!
I did try to warn you. Can we fix it? No, we fucking can't.
What are you doing? Calm down, Muck. Now, where is Bob?
Can we rescue?
Yes, we...
Enough.